What are you making over there before we go to the gym?
We're gonna start a coffee cafe.
Oh shoot.
So this is a concoction. Coffee, little vanilla sweetener, and some Topo Chico. First time trying it. Thanks, David.
You're welcome.
It's interesting. Let me see. I don't know. I don't know.
On a scale of 1 to 10, how would you rate it?
Maybe you're not supposed to put the vanilla creamer.
I don't think so.
Maybe it should just be plain.
I think it's just need to.
Like, I wouldn't make it again.
Yeah.
I would try it without the creamer.
Yeah, because without creamer, yeah, I think it's the creamer. Yeah, mixed it up. There you go. Round 2.
Looks great.
Man, I like everything, but I don't like that. It's not good. I recommend you not try this at home. Or if you try it, or if you have tried it, let us know in the comments if you think this is gonna be good, or it's not good, or you're gonna like it. Let us know. I feel like my stomach hurts now.